I got a couple little things here. One being this, two being that. It's experiencing some crazy things earlier today when trying to fire off my weapon. So I'm gonna try to see if maybe this thing cycles right. I think that there is some sort of issue with the cylinder timing. Of course, these little RG10s are notorious for that, so just gonna check it out and see if maybe it'll work. Maybe I'll hold the camera in one hand and the pistol in the other. Modern day cowboys, cameras in one hand and a pistol in the other. Pretty different from when I was a boy. Alright, see here. See if I can't. How do I turn this thing around? Alright, so earlier this morning I was shooting this thing here. And I was shooting some older ammo. And I was doing double action. And it was misfiring just about every time. See? That's double action. Now if I put it into single action, it should be lighting them up. Yeah. I think that's all she wrote. Yeah, these things are a little different. Got that tractor passing by just the right time. Got the little hoot out up there. Check out my wind chimes. Somebody's Mimi. Oh yeah. Oh, that's what you call hillbilly wind chimes right there. Good deal. Alright, so I didn't tell you that the ammo that I've got in this thing right now is a little bit newer. Horses just chilling out there, grazing. So looks like single action is probably gonna be my best bet moving forward if I was ever in a situation where I needed to take down a squirrel with this little 22 short. And I was within 10 to 15 yards. I would be able to probably make it happen if I use this guy in single action. Let's try it one more time just to make sure. Should be lighting them up. Yep. See if I can't work on that little cap up there a little bit. Little high. Little high. Got me one. Alright. That was 5 rounds. Alright, so anyways, that's the RG10. The Rom Gesellschaft. Made in Germany. Little 22 short Saturday night special. Not a bad gig, but not the best gig. For the money, I mean, it did alright. You know what I mean? Yeah. We made some things happen. Made some rounds pop off anyways, and look at those. Little exit wounds. It went all the way through that laundry detergent bottle. What more could you ask for in a firearm? Some people just get too greedy, I think. Alright, as I was taking the Roman Gesellschaft RG10, the little made in Germany piece here inside, I noticed some rattling. So we got a round in here. See if I can't get it out here real quick. Oh, maybe it's not a round. Yep, it's a round. One of the little 22 shorts here stayed inside. Look at that. It's like a little deformed can of soup there. All the other ones passed right through. I was using these CCI 22 shorts. Earlier though, I was using some older ammunition. It was these Remington high speeds. These are probably from 1960 or 70. The 60s or 70s. I was using those old rounds. I'm going to try to cycle some of these through and see if they work on single action, just to be sure. Alright, I'll be right back. So I've got the RG10 loaded up with some of that special old ammo, the Remington high speed 22 shorts. I'm only gonna fire single action and see if this thing will perform as well as it did with the newer rounds. Let's check it out here. It says from me to you, buddy, from me to you. Single action. That's all she wrote. Yep. Worked like a charm. So I guess this morning the problem I was having with the cylinder not cycling and the little timing problems was only in double action, which that's important, you know. It's just one of those things. So looks like we're almost 100% on single action, but I'll have to run a couple more tests and maybe create one more video and see what the conclusion is. Thanks for watching.
By faith I left my country for a land I could not see. Well, I wonder how it will be. I wish I could sing, I would.